Welcome and welcome back, guys. This is your girl Annie here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. A web browser of your choice: Chrome, Google, anything of your choice. Of course, this has an app, but we're gonna use the web today. Log in. If you do not have an account, simply create one. It's quite simple. Or sign in using your existing Facebook or Google account. Here are numerous design templates. As you can see, we are searching for a social media template, which is a YouTube thumbnail. Go ahead and click here, or you go up into the search bar and type YouTube. Here you can see different YouTube templates. Let's try the elements. The upload media component. Here you upload media from your phone library, which is your gallery, photos, videos, or from your computer library, your photos and videos. Here you can search photos. Canva has the text addition, any templates or text that you can use here. I haven't used these components, so learning process. Hi guys, today's video is a slight tutorial, different from what I usually do. And for my newbies, don't forget to subscribe if you like lifestyle hacks, lifestyle topics and discussions, and don't forget the vlogs, guys. Go look at my videos, and if you love my content, go ahead and subscribe. See you later. This is what the thumbnail is going to look like. So I used 3 photos for this thumbnail, and these photos I had them saved onto my phone, so I'll have to go to uploads, and from there I choose my 3 photos. Stop! To make it easier, you choose the photos in the order of the layers. The first one that I chose, as you can see, is behind, is the one that I'm enlarging now, and the other two are different layers. You can always change up those layers. Do we need to flip this guy or not? I'm not too quite versed on the different effects, so I gradually went through and experimented with them to see which one looked better. Yeah, so you can do just the same. You experiment, you work with the colors, the different effects, and you try to see which one suits your final idea product, your final product. Yeah. The final step. Type in the text that you want to use. So you choose the color of the text you want and the font style that you want. Just like before with the different effects, I usually play around with the font to see which one looks the part. The first layer isn't exactly where I want it to be, so we need to shift it about to get it centered to the position that we want it. Now we're going to save it. I don't usually use this method. I use this method. I'm not familiar with these features, but just giving you guys a look of what it has to offer. You have it downloaded firstly. You don't come off the page while it downloads. You stay, allow it to download, and then you save it into your gallery. Here we're just gonna open it up in the browser, but it's in your library as well. These two videos are pending. Don't forget to look them up. Guys, hit the subscribe button, like my video, and don't forget to hit that bell for every time I post a video. You will be updated. Thank you guys.